everybody, welcome to this week's Chesapeake. Now for our 55 and better community this week, we have a Medicare information series at Western Branch Community Center on Tuesday from 10 to 11 a.m. You can reserve your space by calling our number. Now today we are here at Courtyard Square Park, which is located right behind City Hall in Chesapeake. And this is going to be the location for food trucks on the square, which will be this Wednesday from 4 p.m. to dusk. We also have another food truck event this week, Rolling on the River, which will be on Thursday from 5 to dusk at Elizabeth River Park. On Saturday, we have a guided tree tour from 9:30 to 11 a.m. That's going to be meeting really close to here as well at Great Bridge Community Center. And Miss and Mr. Abilities Chesapeake will be starting at 6 p.m. at the Chesapeake Conference Center. You can purchase your ticket at the door. They are $10 a person. And finally, we have spring break coming up here in Chesapeake, so if you have kids in school and you are looking for something to keep them entertained during that week when school is out, we have some great spring break classes that will be going on: beginner gymnastics, dance, cheer, beginning tennis, and digital scrapbooking, which is really neat. Finally, please mark your calendars for Clean the Bay Day. We have a lot of different locations throughout the whole entire city that you can participate in to help keep the Chesapeake Bay clean and help keep Chesapeake clean and green and beautiful. The Clean the Bay Day event will be on June 1st, and you can register online. Now in Chesapeake, we have 3 great food truck events, and we will be highlighting these during different episodes of Chesapeake Peak this month. But to start off with, we have food trucks on the square coming up, and I am here with Lisa Doud, who is the chair of the Chesapeake Fine Arts Commission. Lisa, what can you tell us about food trucks on the square?
Well, I'm really excited that this year we have expanded it just a bit. We are highlighting this year our student performers from Chesapeake Public Schools, our arts groups, our regional arts groups that Chesapeake Fine Arts Commission supports, and some up-and-coming artists from the community. We are super excited this year to add visual artists. We will have at least 3 for each event, and it will be second and fourth Wednesdays of the month, and it'll be lots of fun, lots of family activities and music and all kinds of fun things going on for the kids, and we're very excited.
Thank you. So food trucks on the square will be held at Courtyard Square Park, which is in the Chesapeake Municipal Center area. It's actually right behind City Hall. There's always a great assortment of food trucks. They can vary from week to week.
Right.
Parks, Recreation, and Tourism will also have some activities and lawn games out there. There are plenty of picnic tables. And like you said, these special performances add an extra special touch to food trucks on the square. Now today we are here with Young Audiences, Arts for Learning, and they're going to give us a little bit of a preview of what to expect on Wednesday. But Lisa, what can you tell us about this group?
Young Audiences Arts for Learning has been an amazing group that works with children throughout the region. They touch close to 84,000 kids in the region per year. So we're very excited to have Jennifer and Ralph here from the Jennifer Gammill trio, and they're going to be kicking off our first one on April 10th.
So come on out this Wednesday to Food Trucks on the Square. Can we get a little snippet of what we can expect?
Sure.